चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ओसा एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 44 लेनिन मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से और टॉपिक है हमारा एक्टिव और पैसिव वॉइस। इसमें दिया है इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस चेंज द वॉइस। वी इलेक्टेड बालू कैप्टन। उसको क्या लिखेंगे? बालू was elected captain. I saw him opening the box. He was seen opening the box. We must listen to his words. His words must be in tune. Shall I forever forget those happy days? Will those happy days ever be forgotten or forgotten? By whom was this jug broken? Who broke this jug? His subordinates accused him of various offences. He was accused of various offences by his subordinates. One cannot gather grapes from thistles. Grapes cannot be gathered from thistles. The telegraph wires have been cut. Someone has cut off the telegraph wires. Alas, we shall hear his voice no more. Alas, his voice will be heard more. The 1998 Asian Games were held in Bangkok, Thailand. They held the 1998 Asian Games in Bangkok, Thailand. Without effort, nothing can be gained. Without effort, we, or you can write one, can gain nothing. Do not insult the weak. Let the weak not be insulted. All desire wealth and some acquire it. Wealth is desired by all, and, or you can write, is acquired by some. Why should I be suspected by you? Why should you suspect me? The information is kept on our computer. We keep the information on our computer. The legends tell us how the castle receives its name. We are told by the legend how its name was received by the castle. My watch was lost. I lost my watch. Why did he defraud you of your earnings? Why were you defrauded of your earnings by him? The public will learn with astonishment that war is imminent. It will be learned, or you can write, learned by the public with astonishment that war is imminent. That war is imminent. He made his wife do the work. Wife was made to do the work by him. The master appointed him monitor. He was appointed monitor by the master. The doctor despaired of his recovery. Recovery was despaired by the doctor. He was refused admittance. They refused him admittance. They laughed at his warnings, objected to all his proposals. His warnings were laughed at, and all his proposals, right, were objected to. The people regarded him as an impostor and called him a villain. He was regarded as an impostor and called a villain. तो ये आपकी एक्सरसाइज हुई 44। अब मिलते हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 45। टाइप करें ओसा एजुकेशन।